Hello guys, how to fix Dell Instrumentation system dot blue screen error in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and this type of error appears in Dell devices after a Windows update and affected many users. The error is triggered when the Dell Support Assist software leads to the malfunctioning, and to fix this issue the first workaround is uninstall the Dell Support Assist services. Right click on start button, choose run command, and here type the command appwiz.cpl appwiz.cpl and press OK. Here look for Dell related apps such as Dell Support Assist and Dell Backup and Recovery, Dell Digital Delivery. You should uninstall all Dell related apps one by one, and after that install another version of Dell Support Assist app, and all the Dell related apps you should install afresh. The next workaround is turn off Dell services. To disable Dell services, again go to Windows search and type services, open services windows, and here look for Dell services and apply a double click on it to open its properties, and under startup type select the option disabled, and finally click on apply and then OK. All Dell related services should be disabled. That's all.